Thank you. Clerk, confirm the total. These are the results, honorable members. Removal of the governor, His Excellency Amos Nyaribo from office of county governor in Emina County by way of impeachment. The fourth tally. Total number of members in the chambers, 34. Those who voted supporting the impeachment, who voted yes, are 22 in number. And those who voted no, that is against the impeachment motion, are 12. The number of those who abstained is 0, and the total number of valid votes cast are 34 votes. And the total threshold needed to impeach His Excellency the Governor stands at 22.6, which is 23. So the Governor survives. Thank you for the questions. Next item. Thank you, members. The House stands adjourned until the Tuesday of 17th September 2024 at 2:30 p.m. Thank you.